This city has hidden bars behind refrigerators, penguins that walk at sunset, and coffee so good that Starbucks failed here. Welcome to Melbourne! Melbourne. 5 million people. The most livable city in the world. Let me show you why. This is Flinders Street Station. It is over 100 years old. And here is a crazy fact. Some people say this building was meant for India. The plans got switched by accident. Old station on one side, ultra-modern square on the other side. That is Melbourne. Old and new, living together. I love it already. Wait, where am I? This tiny street is hidden right behind the main road. And it is full of cafes.
Here you go, one perfect Rosetta.
This is why Starbucks failed here. Melbourne coffee is on another level. This is Hosier Lane. New art appears every single day. Nothing is permanent here. Tomorrow, this wall could look completely different. Art is everywhere in Melbourne, not just in museums. On the streets, for everyone. For free. I think that is beautiful. Can you hear that? A violin in a tiny lane. This is my favorite sound in Melbourne. Melbourne has over 200 hidden laneways. The best coffee, the best food, the best bars, they are all hiding in these tiny streets. You just have to know where to look. This is the Yarra River. Locals joke that it flows upside down because the water is so brown, but at sunset, it is pure gold. Melbourne has the biggest tram network in the world, and in the city centre, trams are free, $0. Best deal in Australia. I could ride this tram all day. Every street has a different story. The MCG, 100,000 seats. Melbourne is the sports capital of the world. Cricket, football, tennis, Formula One, all here. Okay. I have seen the city, the laneways, the trams, and the stadium. But the best part of Melbourne? The food. Come with me. Queen Victoria Market, open since 1878, the biggest outdoor market in the Southern Hemisphere. Let's go inside. Oh, wow. That is the freshest strawberry I have ever tasted. Melbourne, you are spoiling me. Melbourne has the biggest Vietnamese community outside Vietnam. This pho is incredible. It's so good. Wow, look at that lamb spinning. More Greeks live in Melbourne than anywhere outside Athens, and this is why that matters. Melbourne's Chinatown is the oldest in the Western world, over 170 years, and these hand-pulled noodles, hypnotic. 12 seats, 30-minute wait. Was it worth it? Let me taste it. Melbourne's Little Italy, Australia's first pizza restaurant, opened here in 1961. And the gelato, as good as Rome. Maybe better. Do not tell Lily I said that. After all that food, a rooftop cocktail with this view. Melbourne, I think I am in love with you. You know what makes Melbourne's food scene special? It is not just the food. It is that it's in every nationality dining is, or they may see. Okay, behind this door is one of the best bars in Melbourne. There is no sign. You have to know it is here. Ready? How is this hidden behind that door? This place is gorgeous. The entrance is a refrigerator. I am not joking. Melbourne is insane. Melbourne has more hidden bars than any city in Australia. Some are in old bank vaults. Some are up broken-looking stairs. Finding them is half the fun. Every night, these towers shoot fire into the sky. Free to watch. Melbourne just casually has fire towers. Normal. Melbourne is the live music capital of Australia. Hundreds of bands play every single night. This city never sleeps. Okay, time to leave the city, because 30 minutes from Melbourne, there is something you will not believe. This is St Kilda Pier, 6 kilometers from the city. Every night at sunset, something magical happens here. Oh my God. Penguins. Real penguins. In the middle of a city of 5 million people. 1,400 penguins live right here. They fish in the ocean all day and come home every sunset. This is the cutest thing I have ever seen. Penguins mate for life. Every night he swims home to her. Every night she waits for him. If that does not make you emotional, nothing will. Penguins. Jaime. A city of 5 million. Only in Melbourne. Today, I am driving the Great Ocean Road, 240 kilometers of the most beautiful coast in the world. Soldiers who came home from World War I built this road. It took them 13 years. It is the world's largest war memorial. Every turn on this road shows you a new view, and each one is more beautiful than the last. I cannot stop taking photos. This is the Otway rainforest. These trees are hundreds of years old. After the noise of the city, this silence feels like medicine. A koala. A real wild koala. They sleep 22 hours a day. Honestly? Gold. The 12 Apostles. The ocean has been carving these rocks for 20 million years. Only 8 are left. The ocean is still carving. 20 million years. That is how long the ocean worked to make this. And I am very small. And very lucky. This used to be connected to the land. In 1990, it collapsed. 2 tourists were stranded and the hacker had to rescue them. I could sit here forever, but Melbourne is calling me back. I still have more to show you. In Melbourne, even the museum entrance is art. You walk through a fall to get inside. The Royal Arcade, 1870, more than 150 years old. It feels like walking through a palace. Someone carved fairies into this 300-year-old tree in the 1930s. Children have been whispering wishes to it for almost 100 years. Should I make a wish? I wished for more travel. The Brighton bathing boxes, 82 of them. The most expensive one sold for $300,000 for a box with no bathroom. Every box tells a story. Some families have owned them for generations. It is like a colorful little neighborhood on the sand. 170 years old, 8,500 plant species, and black swans, Melbourne's symbol. This is where the city breathes. Before Melbourne was a city, the Wurundjeri people lived here. For 40,000 years, the oldest continuous culture on Earth. 40,000 years. When you hear that number, everything else feels very young. We are all visitors here. I do not understand the rules, but everyone is screaming, so I am screaming too. 13! They just bring everything. Chinatown at night. Lanterns, steam, dumplings, 170 years of Chinese culture right in the heart of Melbourne. Hot, hot, hot. From up here is a story. Find it. One to see. Every city has a sunset. But Melbourne's sunset, it feels like the city is saying goodnight. and promising to surprise you again tomorrow. Melbourne is not the kind of city that shouts at you. It whispers. And if you listen, you will hear something incredible. Melbourne, Australia. Come for the coffee, stay for everything else. Thank you for exploring Melbourne with me. Next week, I am going somewhere even more surprising. Want to come?